Hello everyone, welcome back to my LeetCode journey. Today we are solving LeetCode problem 412 Fizz Buzz. This is one of the most famous beginner programming problems and a great way to practice conditions for loop. Okay, so let's get started. What the question says is given an integer n, return a string array one indexed where answer of I is FizzBuzz if I is divisible by 3 and 5, Fizz if it is divisible by 3, Buzz if it is divisible by 5, and I as a string if none of the above conditions are true. Okay, so here we have to just have the conditions. The most important condition is divisible by both 3 and 5 because to it should return FizzBuzz and okay, so directly jump in the code. So let's get started. We will have a vector over here string to store our answer. And so okay, and a for loop int I is equals 1, I should be less than is equals n, and I plus plus, and if I modulo 15 is equals 0, then answer dot push back f I z z b u z z fizz buzz, and else if I modulo 3 is equals 0, then it is fizz answer dot push back f I z z fizz, and again else if I modulo 5 is equals 0, then answer dot push back b u z z bus, and at last else answer dot push back to string I. Why we use to string over here? So that we convert the integer into a string so that we don't get strangled at last and throws an error. It was a simple question. Let's see if it goes. And yeah, let's submit it. So what we are doing over here is we traversed from 1 to n, check every number, checked its divisibility, pushed correct string into another vector, and finally return the vector. So that was it. Time complexity was O(n), space complexity was again O(n) because we store all the answers in a vector, and that's how we solve LeetCode problem 412 Fizz Buzz, a simple but classical programming problem for practicing loops and conditions. Okay, thank you for now. We'll be meeting again in a very short time. Thank you for have a great day.